So, hi guys. Hi. My daughter is eating Cheetos and she's on the bed. So, it's getting everywhere. Big old Cheeto mess. But, they got them in a bag. But, I wanted to come on here right now and let y'all know that the Ring doorbell system, we got it as soon as we bought this new house. We moved about 3 months ago or 4 months ago, and we live right on the highway now. And I was kind of freaked out because my husband works offshore, so I'm always home by myself with the girls. So I wanted to show y'all off my phone what the doorbell looks like, and it makes me feel 100% safe. You can download the app to your phone. If anyone pulls up, it'll notify me. If they're so many feet from my house, it'll notify me. And well, it's dark right now, but that's the picture quality. And I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's my front door. See a car going by? And another one? That's what it looks like. And the app is really easy to use. And the camera, see,